I just received the AccuBanker D470 counterfeit bill detector. We're putting it to the test right away. Can it really spot fake bills in a flash with zero hassle? Is it the counterfeit detector your business has been searching for? Does it really live up to its bold promises? Stay tuned to find out what we discovered. There's a surprise you won't want to miss. So my business got scammed with a fake $50 bill. Even the counterfeit detector pin was fooled. Determined to never get duped again, I went on a hunt for a super fast, dependable device that can spot fake bills for my employees to use. It had to be quick and foolproof. The AccuBanker D470 caught my attention. The device seems easy to use except for one issue. All the bills had to be inserted in the machine in one particular way or it wouldn't work correctly. And that wouldn't work for me. I need something that will accept bills no matter how they're inserted. So after comparing all their other models, I determined that the D470 was the model I needed. It allowed bills to be inserted 4 different ways as compared to the one way of the D450. Plus the D470 performs 7 independent checks to validate bills, which is 2 more than the D450, and can be battery operated, which makes it portable. So I purchased it and got it delivered pretty quick. Then I started my up-close examination of the AccuBanker D470 counterfeit bill detection machine. If you would like to see everything that's included in the box, I suggest clicking on the card right here to view my unboxing video. When you turn on the D470, it will go through a quick 2-second check routine. Once the check has completed, the green pass light should be the only light illuminated, which means the system is ready. The first test will be to validate a $1 bill. $1 and $2 bills have less security features as compared to other denominations. They each do not have a security thread, for example. Next, I tested the $2 bill. It's pretty rare for many businesses to receive one, but you always have that one customer that just like being a little different, and it's good to know that this machine can validate them too. Next, I ran good old Abe Lincoln through the machine. Starting with the $5 bill, security features in the currency increases. Next, I tested the $10 bill. This was the first failure I received, and it's recommended to pass the bill through the machine at least 3 more times in different positions. Bills can be rejected due to different reasons, such as too crumpled, very stained or dirty, having rips, being wet, having adhesive tape on them, or staples in them. But if you get a pass on one of the tries, you can feel confident that that bill is real. Next, we have a 20. This one failed on my first try. As recommended, I will try to run the bill through the machine again in different positions. Next, we have the $50 bill, and this bill failed to check right away. As with previous failures, I'll try again. And again. And again. Let's set this one to the side. Next, it's time to test Mr. Benjamin Franklin. This one passed during the first try. After the 100 was validated so quick with no issue, I wanted to revisit validating the $50 bill I had. Maybe I'm a little sensitive right now because we got hit with a fake 50, but I was expecting better results than what I was receiving. I tested multiple 50s, and the fail rate was too high for my satisfaction, unless the pile of 50s I had was also fake. I was losing confidence in the device's ability to identify real bills so fast that I jumped back on Amazon and purchased another counterfeit bill detector device. This time, I purchased the Dry Mark Flash Test Counterfeit Bill Detector. After taking a break and then visiting the manufacturer's website, I discovered that there's a calibration procedure that I can use to recalibrate the device if it's experienced a high number of failures. After printing out a calibration template, I recalibrated the device and retested all the bills I tested previously, and this time the device worked flawlessly. I even tested the fake bill that my employee received on the device, and it failed as expected. A little side note here, it is advised that if you receive counterfeit money, you should contact your local authorities or the bank so it can be reported to the U.S. Secret Service. I do plan on doing this after I have finished my testing because I would have to give up the bill after reporting it. Next, let's try something old, a 1953 $1 silver certificate. The silver certificate did fail the test repeatedly, which points out one potential limitation of this device: old currency. This is actually huge. Did you know that currency before 1960 most likely will fail any modern-day counterfeit test? The security features we have in our bills today was not even implemented back then to include the chemical makeup of the paper. So this means that counterfeit detection pin that you use, no go. Watermarks that you're looking for, not there. Magnetic signature, never even heard of it. Any test that we have today will not work on anything before 1960. So this is excellent information to know, because you can get a false failure reading on money that's real. After recalibrating the D470 counterfeit bill detector, I feel confident that I can use this device in my store and my employees will no longer get duped by counterfeit bills. With the ability to add an optional battery, which makes this portable, I think this is a great device that every business owner should consider. The only con that I can see is that this device is only rated for indoor usage. So if you were thinking about purchasing this device to use on an outside event, it's not recommended. I hope you found this information valuable, and please consider subscribing to the channel. We have many more business owner related videos scheduled to be posted.